Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out. Now, this is a skull in the form of a key. Quite a unique mold. I believe it will be a keychain because it has that little hole there. I have some epoxy resin already mixed up from a previous craft, and it is got this chameleon powder in it. It's a really nice color, red, orange, yellow. So as you can see, it's just got a really nice sheen. So I'm just going to try and carefully fill this mold up and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, I'll continue to clean up those edges. I will pop any bubbles that appear and I will let that cure for at least 24 hours before we unmold. Okay, it has been 24 hours. Time to see what this key looks like. Wow, it certainly has a beautiful detail to it, and I love the sparkles that chameleon powder has given. Well, if you're looking for something a bit different, give this mold a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.